Hello students, in this video we will be studying the second chapter of the book Politics in India After Independence, that is planned development. Topics that we have to study in this chapter are National Development Council and Niti Aayog. Now what is National Development Council? National Development Council was established by the Government of India in August 1952. It is neither a constitutional nor a statutory body. It is an executive body. It is the apex body to take decisions on matters related to 5-year plans of the country. Now, the composition of National Development Council or NDC. National Development Council is composed of following members. First one is Prime Minister of India. The Prime Minister of India is the chairperson of NDC. Then Chief Ministers of all the states are even members of NDC. Administrator of the Union Territories. Then we have Cabinet Ministers. Members of the Planning Commission are even the members of NDC. The Secretary of the Planning Commission is also the Secretary of NDC, and the Administrative Assistance is also the Secretary of the NDC. So these are the members of National Development Council. Now next we have to study the objectives of National Development Council. National Development Council acts as an advisory body to the Planning Commission. It was established to strengthen and mobilize the effort and resources of the country in the support of the plan. It promotes common economic policies in all vital areas. It ensures balanced and rapid development of all parts of the country. Besides this, NDC provides a platform to all the states to discuss the problems and issues related to their development. It secures the cooperation of the states in the execution of development plans. So these are the objectives because of which NDC was established. Now next topic is functions of NDC. To fulfill its objectives, NDC has been given the following functions. First one, it prescribed guidelines for the formation of national plan. It considered the national plan as formulated by the Planning Commission. To ensure the assessment of the it ensures the assessment of the resources provided to implement the plan. It even look after the assessment of the resources that are needed to fulfill the national plan. It review the working of the plan from time to time. It recommends measures that are necessary for achieving the aims and targets set out in the national plan. So these are the functions that NDC perform. Now the next topic that we have to study in this chapter is Niti Aayog. NITI stands for National Institution for Transforming India. Niti Aayog replaced Planning Commission on January 1, 2015. The first vice chairperson of Niti Aayog was Mr. Ravindra Pangaria. The Prime Minister of the country is always the chairperson of Niti Aayog. This Niti Aayog is a policy think tank of the Government of India, and the main aim of this Aayog is to involve states in the policy making in India. It provides strategic and technical advice to the central and state governments. Through Niti Aayog, the Government of India sought to replace the center-state one-way flow of policy that was the hallmark of the Planning Commission. It increased the partnership of states in the planning of India. The finance minister at the time of establishment of Niti Aayog was Mr. Arun Jaitley. Mr. Rajiv Kumar is the present Vice Chairperson of Niti Aayog. He was appointed on 1st September 2017 as the Vice Chairperson of Niti Aayog. Now the present composition of Niti Aayog. This present composition of Niti Aayog was approved by Prime Minister of India on 7 June 2018. This was approved to include ex officio members and special invitees. Chairperson, Prime Minister of India. Vice Chairperson, present one is Dr. Rajiv Kumar. Full-time members are Shri V.K. Saraswat, Professor Ramesh Chand and Dr. V.K. Paul. Ex officio members of Niti Aayog are Mr. Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister of India, Mr. Amit Shah, the Minister of Home Affairs, Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance and Minister of Corporate Affairs, Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar, Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayat Raj. Now, special invitees of the Niti Aayog. Shri Nitin Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highways, and he is even the Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Thawar Gehlot, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. Mr. Piyush Goyal, he is the Minister of Railways, Minister of Commerce and Industry. Mr. Rao Indrajit Singh, he is the Minister of State, independent charge of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, independent charge of Ministry of Planning. So these are the special invitees of Niti Aayog. Then we have CEO in Niti Aayog. The CEO of Niti Aayog is Mr. Amitabh Kant. Now, what are the functions of Niti Aayog? Niti Aayog works with the state government on national development policies and strategies. It actually tries to strengthen federalism where both state government and central government work in proper coordination and harmony. It implements schemes and initiatives for rural development. It ensures that the economic strategy and policy work in the interest of the national security. Niti Aayog actively monitors and evaluates the implementation of the programs. Niti Aayog focuses on technological upgradation of the country. So these are the few functions of the Niti Aayog. That is all that we have to study in this chapter. We have to cover only two topics, that is National Development Council and Niti Aayog. Thank you.